Hey everyone! So I've had a few questions about how I make my galaxy style art, so I decided to make this tutorial to help you guys and show you guys how I do it. Here we go! So first things first, I'm going to grab a black colored pencil. This is so I can start coloring in the night sky. Now while I'm coloring in the night sky, I'm going to be creating the outlines of all my nebulas. You can make as many nebulas as you want, different shapes, different patterns, different designs. And if you need any inspiration for these patterns, just check out nebulas on Google Images. At the edges of each of the nebulas, I'm just going to thinly shade in to prepare for the next colors. And voila! Now the night sky is finished. Now it's time for the nebulas. I usually go from dark to light colors when I'm creating nebulas. I'm going to start off now by coloring in one of the edges of my nebulas with my dark purple, and then once I've done that I can start getting a bit more creative with the shapes and designs before I shade in lightly at the edges. Then I'm going to use a lighter shade of purple to add even more different patterns and designs. Now it's time to use a lighter shade of purple to add more random patterns. I'm going to finish by lightly shading in the white parts and smoothly blending it in with the white colored pencil. Now do the same for all the other nebulas. You can use different colors, different patterns, and really experiment with it. You can get really creative here. And once you're finished with all that, it is now time for the stars. I use a Faber-Castell white pen to create my stars. And I can use it to create different shapes, different patterns, just like my nebulas, different sizes of the stars, random shapes to make it look like a natural galaxy sky. Just don't go too crazy with it and overdo it. And we're finished. There you go. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this has helped you understand how I create galaxy art, and hopefully it can help you create your own. If you guys are interested in me making more tutorials like this, please leave a suggestion in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can keep in touch with my future videos. Until next time, goodbye.